Chalice on 1. Go. I'm scaring them. Yeah, might be. No phone allows. Oh, wait. 2 mana, 3 mana. Well. So is it Fable or is it Strip Mine? Might be Fable. First things first. Chalice on turn 1. Goddamn! With Strip Mine. Oh, nice. Not bad. What's up with Timeless? Oh, Decro, you're asking me that. It's crazy. Every deck is crazy now. John Ring has Strip Mine. There's this weird deck, which I don't even know what this deck is. Show and Tell has Ancient Tomb. Yeah, everything is going haywire and it's sort of really chaotic right now, probably. And yeah, watch out for the overpowered cards. So this a keep because this card is insane, absolutely insane. Oh, but I'm on the play, on the draw rather. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. So yes. This line is insane though.